the basics. Hosting is the home of your website. If you want a website, you'll need somewhere to host it. That's exactly what web hosting is. Now, there are different types of hosting service. You've got shared hosting, reseller hosting, virtual private servers or VPS, and dedicated servers. But we're going to be looking at shared hosting in this video because that's the most popular and affordable type of hosting. So hosting is basically the computer and network infrastructure that keeps your website available across the internet. It also provides other key services like email for you. So how does it all work? Well, it all starts with a server, which is basically a powerful computer which is stored in a highly secure, purpose-built, multi-million-pound facility called a data center. The data center provides the network and power connectivity with temperature control, backup systems, fire suppression, and high levels of physical security. Security is also important at the server level. So the servers are actually built with dual components for critical components, things like hard drives and power supply units. And the reason for this is to make sure that your website is available at all times. So when you order a hosting service, what you're actually purchasing is the physical disk space on the server, as well as the bandwidth, which is the network connection for the server. And you'll often see hosting advertised in terms of disk space and bandwidth. So you might see, for example, 5 gigabytes of disk space and 100 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. So the disk space, that covers your website and all of your files, including key files, things like your emails. And the monthly bandwidth allowance, this is the amount of traffic that comes in and out of your website and your hosting space. So that will usually, most of it will be made up by email traffic in and out, but also things like people visiting your website and when you actually publish your website files. In order to manage your web hosting, you'll need access to a user-friendly interface called a control panel. One of the most popular control panels is called cPanel, and this allows you to manage key areas of your hosting, things like setting up email addresses, managing domains and forwarding, managing databases, that kind of thing. And this shields you basically from any of the sort of technical aspects of the hosting. If you want to build your own website, you can use a tool like Website Builder, which is included, and this basically allows non-technical users to build and maintain a website, and it uses templates, pre-made templates, so you just add your own text and then images and then can publish it. For more advanced users, or maybe you've got a web designer, then there are more advanced tools and applications which are included for free, so you can sort of manage databases and also use other tools to build your website. And these kind of tools, these applications, these include popular content management systems like WordPress, as well as more advanced e-commerce tools like PrestaShop and Magento, so you can start selling online.